Welcome to Med in 5. The goal of our channel is to simplify medical concepts and help you understand them like dancing the tango. This episode explains columnar epithelial cells, the body's tall, versatile cells. Quick prep before we begin. Which specialized mucus-secreting columnar cell appears scattered among other columnar cells? What type of epithelium lines the stomach? Let's hit the floor. Columnar epithelium is found mostly in the inner linings of internal organs and features tall, rectangular cells with oval nuclei near the basal surface. All epithelial cells exhibit apicobasal polarity, when the apical and basal portions of the cell have different functions. But this polarity is especially pronounced in columnar cells. Columnar epithelia may contain abundant specialized structures, depending on their function. Some have many microvilli. These tiny, finger-like, actin-based projections increase surface area for absorption. In absorptive organs, densely packed microvilli form a brush border seen under the microscope. Other columnar cells have plenty of cilia. These longer, hair-like, microtubule-containing extensions beat rhythmically to move substances. Columnar epithelia may also contain goblet cells. These specialized columnar cells secrete mucus to lubricate and protect the epithelial surface. Although columnar epithelia have a protective role, they're also usually involved in absorption, secretion, or ciliary transport, depending on their location. Columnar epithelia come in several forms, but the vast majority are either simple non-ciliated or simple ciliated. Simple non-ciliated columnar epithelium consists of a single layer of tall cells without cilia. In the small intestine, dense microvilli on the apical surface form a brush border for efficient nutrient absorption. Goblet cells provide lubrication. In the gallbladder, microvilli maximize water absorption to concentrate bile, the fat emulsifying digestive fluid produced by the liver. In the colon, abundant goblet cells lubricate and protect the lining during the passage of feces, while microvilli absorb water and electrolytes. The simple columnar lining of the stomach protects the organ from acid and digestive enzymes while maintaining a mucus barrier. Stomach mucus is secreted by specialized surface mucus cells. Goblet cells are typically absent in the stomach. Microscopically, surface mucus cells form a continuous lining, unlike goblet cells, which appear scattered in other epithelia. Simple ciliated columnar epithelium consists of a single layer of tall cells with motile cilia on their apical surface. In the fallopian tubes, cilia propel the oocyte, or the mature egg cell, and later, the fertilized egg toward the uterus. Interspersed peg cells, which lack cilia, appear dome-shaped and bulge into the lumen, release a nutrient-rich fluid that supports the oocyte or early embryo. The endometrium contains both non-ciliated and ciliated columnar cells. The non-ciliated cells secrete a fluid rich in glycogen, a complex carbohydrate that nourishes the early embryo. The ciliated cells help circulate uterine fluid and may help position the early embryo within the uterine cavity before implantation. If pregnancy doesn't occur, the endometrium is shed during menstruation before being rebuilt in the next cycle. Stratified columnar epithelium consists of multiple layers of non-ciliated columnar cells. It's found only in a few locations, such as parts of the male urethra and the lactiferous glands, where it serves a primarily protective function. Pseudostratified columnar epithelium is a type that appears multi-layered, but actually consists of only one layer. We'll cover this unique kind of tissue in the next episode. Damage to columnar epithelia can disrupt organ function and produce illness. In celiac disease, an autoimmune reaction to the wheat protein gluten damages the small intestinal lining, causing loss of microvilli and leading to chronic diarrhea and weight loss. In primary ciliary dyskinesia, inherited defects in ciliary proteins impair ciliary beating, including in the female genital tract. Infertility is one of its symptoms. Metaplasia can turn other epithelial types into columnar epithelium. In Barrett esophagus, repeated acid reflux causes the normal stratified squamous lining in the lower esophagus to become columnar. Let's review. Which specialized mucus-secreting columnar cell appears scattered among other columnar cells? Answer: goblet cell. What type of epithelium lines the stomach? Answer: non-ciliated columnar epithelium. All good? You got moves. If this clip helped you learn, click like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Catch more Med in 5.